Say you set a goal of 1 year and you said in 1 year, I'm going to publish a game I enjoy playing. What is going to be better if you start with one engine and you, for 12 months, you learn that engine and you get proficient at that engine and you make a game, versus starting with Unity, then 3 months down the line, start with Unreal, then 3 months down the line, Playmaker, and then 3 months down the line, Godot. What's going to be a better outcome? Which one is going to get you closer to your end? Sticking with one engine. Now, like I said earlier, if the engine is really, really bothering you, like I was having major issues with C++ with Unreal, major issues. Every time I would close the project, it was fully functional. And then I'd open the project the next day and not have done anything different. And I would have build errors. And that happened over and over again. If you're having those kinds of issues and you're just not enjoying the engine at all, then switch. I'm not saying you can't switch an engine, but I'm saying if your goal is to make games and you really want to make games and learn the process of game dev, and you want to learn it the fastest and the most efficient way possible, sticking with one engine is going to do that. Same thing for Unity. If you don't like Unity, switch. If you don't like Godot, switch. But don't just switch because a new fancy engine came out, or because you watched a video and this new developer is using Godot, or because this one's using Unreal, or this game I really like to play is in Unreal. Those aren't good reasons to switch. Stick with an engine. Again, I'm not telling you what to do, but from my own personal experience and from what I know about how to learn efficiently, sticking with an engine is the best thing for you. Because the better I am at an engine, the easier it is for me to make games. Every time, the longer I stick with an engine and the better I get, every time I start up a new project, I'm going to get to the finish line that much quicker, or get to prototype that much quicker, or get to the demo that much quicker, because I have all these years of previous experience, all these years of it, instead of 3 months of experience. You'll also hear that, well, once you learn one engine, another engine is easy. Yes, that's kind of true, but not necessarily true. And also, spending a month on an engine, you're not learning an engine. Spending 3 months on an engine, you're not learning an engine. You're still brand new to that engine. You have to spend a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. There's still new things that veteran developers are still learning and figuring out that they didn't know their engine could do. So to claim that, well, I used an engine for 3 months and that made me better to learn this other engine, that's just garbage.